Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolatu Parambil. Section 8.5, determining which method to use. One of the challenges in constructing a confidence interval is to determining which method to use. First step is to determine which type of the parameter we are estimating. So there are three types of parameters. One is population mean. And second one, population proportion. Third one is population standard deviation. Or variance sigma square. There are two methods for constructing a confidence interval for a population mean: Z method and the T method. And if sigma is known, use the Z method. If sigma is unknown, use the T method. So Z method is explained in section 8.1 and T method is in section 8.2. To construct a confidence interval for a population proportion, that is in section 8.3. And to construct a confidence interval for the variance or standard deviation, that is section 8.4, and there we use the chi-square distribution. If you are estimating the confidence interval for the population mean, first we will check whether the population standard deviation is known or unknown. If it is known, then we will check is the sample sizes greater than 30 or not. If yes, use the Z method. If it is no, then we will check is the population is approximately normal or not. If yes, then use the Z method. Otherwise we need to check with a statistician. We will be stuck with that. We don't know how to do that problem. If sigma is known, then we can use the Z method. Pretty much you can see that. And sigma is unknown. We need to check whether the sample size is greater than 30. If yes, then use the T method. Otherwise you have to check whether the population is approximately normal or not. If it is normal, then you can use the T method. Otherwise we have to check with the other statistician.